ang ginagawa yung gayon? Nanonood sa akin. Ito ang aking first time, guys. Dapat mag-like, share, and subscribe na kayo. Wait lang, guys, kasi nag-loading. Mamaya, andito na. Level 148 ako, guys. First time ko lang dito mag-vlog. Dapat, be honest ako at curious. Ay, joke lang, guys. Andito pa ako kasi mag-vlog. Kami ay nakatira sa Pilipinas, Luzon, Badak. First time ko lang ito. Dapat ang ginawa nyo na. Like, share, and subscribe. Yun ang mga magagawa. Ha. Gusto nyo bang makapagsalita ako ng English? Oo. Ito. What are you doing? You're supposed to like and subscribe before your... Joke lang. You need to like and subscribe so I can get just 10k, maybe just 100, maybe 100. This is my first time, guys, so we need to put our best in this video, guys. My name is pala Mark Lemon Bibolda. Ang aking video, yung pangalan na dito, Marzel is Marzel Bibolda, but ako yung anak niya, nakatirang guwapo dito. Ay, hindi pala. Ay, nagsalita ako ng Ilocano. English pala. What are you doing here? My name is Mark Lemon Bibolda. My dad's name Marzel Bibolda. So, this is my first time to do this, guys. So, we will be honest to each other. If you like my video, like and subscribe. If we get the 150, yes, only 150, 100 likes, so we can get our definition to be a YouTuber in this place. This is my first time to go, so we need to defeat this bandit. Where's the others? Come here, fella. I love your face, bro. Gusto nyo man like and subscribe. Hindi ko na sa baba. Share yun sa inyo. And yes, you need supposed to like, share, and subscribe. Then share this in your phone. Yeah! We just played this before. I played this game before. So, I'm joining my name. I'm level 1. Level 0. I'm because I'm the Philippine Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao. Luzon. I'm from Badecabra. Supposed to know, I'm poor. I don't have any money. So, you need to like and subscribe. So I can get 100. Get 100. Then when I get 100, give me 200 subscribers. I'm good. The boss. I tried this game before. I made this game before. We need you need to even what the Sigma boy. Rasta saris. down below your favorite news. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God, parang hindi ko pala ang June 9. First time ko mag-vlog. Dapat ko like and subscribe. Kapag salta ka namin ako ng Ilocano, Tagalog at English. Kaso hindi ko magawa. Spanish. Andito naman ako, guys. Lalaro lang. Hapon lang. Nimito ko ang best. Sabi niya, Diyos, parang wala. I did this game before. Ayun, guys. Ayun, Sam. Ayun. Ay, joke lang, guys. Joke lang. Anong gusto niyong laruin dito? Mag-comment down below kayo, guys. Hoy, may nag-comment na. Ito yung gusto niyo, guys. I-chat ko na ang Mr. Brookhaven. Hindi nyo alam, guys, na dati ako ng Brookhaven, kaso hindi na kasi wala akong Robux for nga ako ngayon. First time ko lang mag-vlog. Anong punya? Dapat magsabi ng bad word. I don't say bad word. Sika maboy. Today I'm doing this. Ay, sorry, guys. Joke lang. Saan na tayo nagpunta? I'm so scared. This is my first time. Where is the scared? No. No. I'm shy. Someone's stalking me. Kagunichi happy. Rah. What's up? Teka. Jump jacks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Tapos na ngayon. Andito na ulit tayo sa Roblox. Ay, jump. Hindi, sino yun? Sulit. Serious. Oh, ano naman ito? Stretching? Tapos to activity. Dismiss. Ano yun? Ano yun? Car. Police car. We need to become a police. Police. Nandito na. Nandito na. Siren. We need to arrest. Who is that player? Who is he? I'm the police. Police is capture you. Where are you, man? Where are you? To come here to destroy the city? You cannot destroy me because I have a gun. Who's he? Wait a minute. Say gonna just buy home. I'm gonna buy para angas tayo dito, guys. Magkanta ako ng budots na lang. Nakita ko siya kahit na maganda. Utot niya pangit pa rin. Kahit na ako ay selos niya, siya ay hindi maganda. Andito na ako sa Brookhaven kahit na pulis kasupanganes. Oh, sino to, gago? Ano yan? Oh, scared ako. Sino to? Sino yun? Oh, Diyos ko, Lord. Sino yun? Diyos ko. Can I join, Mama? 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 I don't wanna go to school. I don't wanna go to school. Why? I don't wanna go to school. I don't wanna go to school. I don't wanna break the law. Hindi natin mabibili dito, guys, kasi wala tayong Robux. Kahit, guys, gusto ko pa din maging YouTuber ng Roblox para kay